Hello, we are the Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we are happy to be working with Club Autosport in San Jose to present to you this lovely, restored 1958 Nash Metropolitan. The founder of Club Autosport has owned this car for 25 years, and in 2012 they did a full restoration. We'll tell you more about it after a cold start and a quick drive. This car is now available on Bring a Trailer. As we mentioned, it was lovingly restored in 2012, with almost every part having been touched during that restoration, including that 1.5-liter inline 4, that 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, and of course that handsome black and white checked interior with a white vinyl overlay. The two-tone color combination was also selected at that time. The in-house team at Club Autosport has maintained this ever since. It's available on Bring a Trailer, and for more information, visit us at Genau AutoWerks.com. Thank you.